Ladies and gentlemen, our next presenter, he's 6 years old. He's sharing with us the story of the goose with the golden egg. His name is Weng. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Hello everyone, my name is Weng. I am 6 years old. I am from Johor, Kota Damansara. Today, I will tell the story of the goose with the golden egg. A man and his wife have a good fortune. They had a goose with one golden egg every day. They chose the golden egg for the more money. Then they became greedy. They say there are many golden eggs inside the goose. If we cut it, we have many golden eggs. We will be rich. After cutting the goose, they found nothing in the Taman. They are very sad. The moral of the story: don't be greedy and think before you act. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much to Weng for sharing with us the story of the goose with golden eggs. Thank you very much. Okay.
Your voice